I got my favorite pack repaired for free. It's 20 years old. Maybe you can do the same. Let me show you what happened, what I learned, and what companies actually have policies that make them worth buying from. This little pack has been with me for 20 years. I've taken it on hikes, uphill skiing, downhill skiing, on shoots for Spartan race and peak races. Anytime when I needed something a little bit smaller than my Jade Gregory pack, I've been grabbing this, the Reactor. When it ripped, I don't know what you would do, but I got online and I started looking for a replacement. I mean, sometimes it's nice to have an excuse to go shopping and buy new stuff, even if you don't really need to spend that money. I could not find a replacement. I did try buying one. I wasn't happy with it, but that's for another video. I was complaining to my son about that replacement pack when he said, why don't you get your original one fixed? Why didn't I think of that? I looked online to see if it might even be covered under warranty. Here's what the Gregory site said. The service center will determine whether or not your query is covered by Gregory's warranty, and if it does, we'll be happy to replace or repair it. But how do they decide what's eligible? That wasn't really clear. And this pack was 20 years old. The zipper ripped probably from day-to-day wear and tear. How long did I expect it to last? I packed it up, I shipped it out, and I crossed my fingers. I really didn't know what to expect. I mean, how many companies are disappointing us every day with their complicated or predatory terms of service, right? But I sent it off and I hoped. And while I waited, it got me thinking, what other companies have good or bad policies? I remember taking a tour at the Darn Tough factory, so I knew they had a good policy. Theirs says, unconditional guarantee for life. I mean, that's pretty good. I've seen the socks that they get in and send out there, so I know it's for real. Osprey has something called their almighty guarantee. That sounds pretty darn good, too. Patagonia, I know they're a reputable company and they care about the environment. Their site says $15 for round-trip shipping on all repairs. The repair work, in most cases, is covered by Patagonia. Mountain Hardwear, they make great stuff. Their site says, it is always our intention to make products that last a lifetime, but in the event something fails, we stand by our word by offering a limited lifetime warranty. But what does that mean? What are the limitations? North Face, too, they say they have a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturing defects. But is it a manufacturing defect when your pack starts to fall apart after 20 years? Marmot, too, they have a warranty, but it says you have to have a receipt. I don't have a receipt after 20 years. One tip, no matter who you're sending a pack back to, is wash it. That's just a courtesy for the people that have to fix it. I kept checking my email every day. And then about 5 days later, there was an email from Gregory's authorized repair center. I figured it would probably have an estimate for the cost of the repair, or maybe even tell me that this pack was too old to even be eligible. But what it actually said was, we've already done the repair and the pack is on its way back to you. I still didn't really know what that would mean because the language was a little vague. It said something like, the zipper's not broken. I just got the box back and I'm going to open it in just a minute and we'll see. But I think there's two really important things that this story reminded me. One is that the outdoors should be more accessible. And as long as it's safe, there's no reason to avoid using old equipment. We don't always have to buy the newest. In fact, some of the old gear is solid, strong, and well-built and fit to purpose. So don't feel like you can't afford to get outside because you can't afford the newest and the best. The other important thing is when you're buying new equipment, factor in their return policies. Because if something is well-made and guaranteed for life, that's worth a lot more money than something that's only going to last you a few years. Better for your wallet, better for the planet, better all around. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see what we got. No note or anything, just a pack. And it's beautiful. I can't even tell where they fixed it. I'll look after this closer in the light, but this is amazing. This zipper was not only jammed irreparably, but the fabric next to it was ripped open. This is freaking awesome. It just kind of reaffirms your faith in humanity, doesn't it? Let's start a conversation in the comments so that we can see who we should buy from. Have you had experiences returning gear? I know now firsthand that Gregory and Darn Tough are great. Who else? who are responsible, reliable stewards of the outdoors, of the environment, of our wallets that are doing good repair policies.